Conisbrough Castle, known for its impressive 12th century keep, one of the best preserved examples of its kind in England. After the Norman conquest of 1066, the lands of Conisbrough were given to William de Warenne, a Norman baron who fought alongside William the Conqueror. These lands were previously owned by the late Saxon king, Harold II. The name Conisbrough was taken from the Old English, meaning the king's fortress. Lord de Warenne built the original castle in the style of a motte and bailey. This was further protected by earthworks, palisades, and an outer bailey. The castle we see today was extensively rebuilt between 1180 and 1190 after passing through marriage to Hamelin Plantagenet. Plantagenet was the illegitimate half-brother of King Henry II, who had arranged the marriage. The union gave Hamelin great wealth and power. He constructed the stone keep and walls to demonstrate his new position. The castle keep is unique and designed as Plantagenet's private tower. Standing 92 feet tall and 62 feet in diameter, the circular keep had 6 large, solid buttresses that formed a hexagonal shape. The keep had a basement, 3 main floors, with the drawbridge entrance on the first floor. The lord's chambers were on the second and third floors. These had stone-carved fireplaces and were beautifully decorated with large windows. Conisbrough Castle is now protected under UK law as a Grade 1 listed building. An ancient monument, it is one of the finest and best examples of medieval Norman architecture in England today.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.